a blue pencil with a cute tie on it. This pencil is very good for writing, and that pencil is only for girls because it's blue and everyone uses pencils. Come on, now that's the end of the pencil talk. Let's move on to the razor. I have a cute little eraser. It's purple with a cat label on it, and it's so cute. It erases all pencils, writing, and I always carry it with me now. Let's erase. Here the talk is over, and now the talk of this ruler begins. So let's begin. I have a ruler that's purple in color, and it's so cute that it's draw a line. Now let's move on to the sharpener. I have a sharpener that is pink, and it sharpens pencils so that the nib of the pencil can be a sharp. My sharpener is very cute. Let's add the sharpener here. Now let's move on to the pencil case. I have a pencil case in which I keep my pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale, and color pencils. The color of my pencil case is pink with flower on it. Bye friends!